Hello everyone, so today we're going to be looking at this awesome bundle that Walmart has been selling. You can get this only at Walmart or walmart.com. This is only $29 and it's still available for purchase. Now what you're getting with this bundle is a Chromecast with Google TV 4K streaming media player, and you also get the Funko Pop TV Stranger Things 11 with Egos. Now let's open and see how each individual item looks. Thick. And here we go. Now let's pull out the Funko maybe first. Let's see if it just drops out. And here we go. So it is two different packages, which is quite nice. I'm not going to open this one. I'm just going to put it on my counter. It's going to be one of those collector items. So we have Netflix, Stranger Things, Pop Television 421. Here's the side 11 with Ego. And here is the front. So it's a decent size, normal Funko Pop size, only at Walmart. And here is the last side. Really cute item. I'm a big fan of Stranger Things, so I'm definitely going to leave this on the side. Now let's look at the Chromecast. And here we go. So we have that Chromecast with 4K. So we have YouTube, YouTube TV, Netflix, Prime Video, TV, Spotify, Disney, Hulu. So it has all those apps, 4K as I mentioned. Here's the side. Then Wi-Fi works with Android and iOS. Here's the back side, and here is... So let's look at this last side. It does have Google Assistant built in, so it will work the same as your Android phone or tablet. It says use the voice remote to control the TV, search, and more. Quite amazing bundle for $29. Thank you guys for watching.